Effectiveness of the vaccines have never been put into question. It's almost completely efficient for protecting against the infection. Another issue that one can be concerned about is safety. At present, there are several million doses given of the HPV vaccines, such that I feel that if there had been some serious and consistent adverse events found from this vaccination, they should have been unambiguously documented by now, which is not the case. With the first generation vaccines, it's clear that if you take them, you lower your cancer risk, but you must not stop to go to screening if you have taken the vaccine. However, there is a second generation vaccine that's actually already approved that protects against about 90% of the cervical cancers. And when those are being put to broad use throughout Europe, we probably still will need some screening, but maybe not quite as much after we have been starting to use the new generation vaccines. When it comes to cervical screening, the data on that HPV-based screening protects better against cervical cancer is so strong that if women are still being offered cytology-based screening, they should protest and demand the organization of a program that uses the HPV-based screening instead. We are still using the first generation vaccines in almost all countries in the world, and the population should try to get the most recent best vaccines, and they should demand it both for their boys and for their girls. At this point, it's clear that the evidence is there, such that the women's organizations and the patients' organizations, I think they are the ones that should demand that they get the best possible screening that they deserve, and they should also demand best possible vaccination that they can get.